Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Chih-Wei Kuan, and I'm from GI Center from Chia University. I'm very happy to have this opportunity here to attend 2020 International Smart Cities e-Forum. The topic I want to share with you is service and applications of smart agriculture. In general, to say the most concerned things in the agriculture are the agricultural crop and agricultural products. And the biggest challenges and risks are the crops damage and products and market imbalance. Therefore, if we can grasp the weather information earlier, we can send an earlier warning for the crop disasters. If we can grasp the timing and the quantity of planting earlier, we can send a warning earlier based on the past experience to the user and decision makers. What kind of service or applications we can use to provide farmers or decision makers to let agriculture be smart? What aspects can agriculture information support? I would say it can provide early warnings of crop damage, as I just mentioned, early warning of production and marketing, and systematic management of agricultural land, and even provide statistical analysis reports. We integrate data of agriculture-related institutes, including the research of agriculture information, market information, and weather information, agricultural disaster relief reporting, illegal farmland, financial aid for agriculture facilities, even the government-owned farmland, and so on, and various types of spatial maps. We organize those corresponding relationships and applied various models. We'll provide a simple platform to the users. We interface the weather information of the related institute to grasp the real-time weather changes and use the warning conditions and thresholds recommended by the experts, providing users with spatial maps and providing the early warning service for different types of disasters. So, users can also query the types of crops and disasters they want to focus on, and to overlay the different spatial map data and to crops analyze and compare its difference and understand the influence of the area with the color dips. The diagrams above integrate agriculture open data, survey data, and market information with the combination of price variation. The market price distribution can be displayed with the selected product species. We also use the KD line in the economic models and try to explain the so-called confidence interval, and try to use simple charts to understand the weekly, monthly, and even quarterly changes in the traditional volume and price. We also use the theory of stock ups and downs to apply agricultural disaster warnings and calculate the RSV value and understand the meaning of transaction price changes. We also interface with various informations such as open data, market transactions, transportation, and farmland violations through the statistical analysis of big data operations. It can be dynamically presented in spatial visualizations. It can be flexible, present according to the user needs, a customized display interface for different users. In addition to providing a very good use platform, we also use technology of aerial photograph for the analysis and evaluation of agricultural crop damage. Consider the different disaster damage factors such as low temperature, high temperature, drought, and heavy rain, so on, into the analyzed conditions to provide decision makers to know the distribution area of these disasters and how much the impact on it. This slide, we also use the UAV to carry on the seeds and fly to areas where no one can reach to, carry out this spreading, and its purpose, of course, is to increase the coverage of green plains and to achieve the effect of soil and water conservation. We also use the image recognition technology to monitor changes in foreign use and try to classify trees, vegetations, building, shadows, rivers, even the roads, and the most interesting that the recognition rate is as high as 95%. We have also applied high technology to the modeling of agriculture. This slide shows that we use the UAV to capture images and to build 3D models of the images for the digital preservation and can be browsed on the web. We use the big data to analyze and do spatial information management and present the agricultural marketing information in a dynamic dashboard, assisting in decision-making analysis, and improve the administrative efficiency. Alright, that's my presentation about the small agriculture. Thanks for your listening. Any comments or questions are very welcome to writing on the portal. I hope all of you stay healthy and stay safety. Thank you.